Welcome to our series of video tutorials on how to effectively use the JOBV.EU service. In the previous video we learned about the process of creating a service offer. In this video we create an advertisement for a course that your company organizes. Let's go to the My Profile menu and then My Courses. This is your ad management area where you can create and publish your ads about the courses your company offers. To create an ad, click the Add a Course button. You will see a form that consists of several sections. In the course training section, you must specify the type of training of the course by selecting it from the list, the next two fields in this text entry section. Course title and course content are multilingual. It is recommended that you enter text in these text fields in all languages supported by our service if you want your ad to appear to users of the website who use the appropriate language of the website interface. To enter text in different languages, you need to click on the DEN or RU tabs. When using an online translator, the text entered in the first tab is the source for translation into other languages. When entering text in the second and third tabs, you can use either the keyboard or an online translator. If necessary, the result of the online translation can be corrected. A green circle with a check mark on a tab means text data was entered in that language. A red triangle with an exclamation mark means no text data is available in that language. Next, you need to specify the course start date and its duration. In the section The language in which the course will be taught, you must indicate the appropriate language for teaching the course. To do this, click on the Add button and select the desired language. To quickly find the language, you can use the quick search bar located at the top of the dialog. The search begins after entering at least 3 letters of the desired language. Once you have completed your selection, click the Close button at the bottom of the panel. In the location of the course section, you must indicate the specific address of the course location if the form of training is full-time. For distance learning, you need to activate the Distance Learning switch. If you have already indicated the location of your company in your user profile, then this location will be automatically transferred to this section. In addition to this, you can also mark the location of the course on the map with a marker. If you have already indicated the address of the course above, you can simply click on the Set Marker using the Address button. If for some reason the marker was not placed accurately, you can also set it manually. To do this, first enter the name of the city in the line that is located directly below the map, and then by moving the map and using the plus and minus buttons to scale it. Set the map image so that the location of your company is in the center of this image and press the button. Set the marker in the center of the map. For more precise positioning of the marker, you can also set it by clicking on the location of interest on the map. Before this, you must enable this mode by clicking on the Touch the Map to Set a Marker button. In the next section you will need to specify the course cost. The Additional Documents section allows you to upload additional files to your ad, documents with a more detailed description of the course you offer, additional images, and so on. The number of files that can be added and their total maximum size are indicated under the heading of this section. To upload a file, you need to click on the Upload area and select the desired file from the list or drag the file from File Explorer to this upload area. After the file is uploaded, you can add a description about this file in the line below. In the next section you can indicate occupations that may be related to this course. You can also enter several occupations at the same time. To add the desired occupations to this list, you must click on the Add button. A dialog will appear listing the occupation categories, and by opening the categories and subcategories that suit you, you will get to the occupation list. To quickly find occupations, you can use the quick search bar located at the top of the dialog. The search begins after entering at least 3 letters of the desired profession. It happens that in the list of found occupations there are 2 or more occupations tags with the same name. This is because in other languages these tags may have several different versions of the names of that occupation, but in English they have the same name. It is therefore advisable to add all suitable occupations found via the search, even if they have the same name. The section Knowledge and Skills related to this course has a similar practical meaning to the previous section. In it you can specify what knowledge and skills a course participant can acquire. To add the desired knowledge and skills tags to your course description, you must click the Add button. A dialog will appear that lists the company competencies categories. You can select the tag you want by either opening the relevant categories or using the quick search bar located at the top of the dialog. The search begins after entering at least 3 letters of the required knowledge or skills. You can then select from the list of tags found those that match the course you offer. If you accidentally selected a tag, you can delete it by clicking again or already in the course form by clicking on the cross in front of this tag. To make the announcement of the course your company is conducting more attractive in the general course list, you can select a thematic icon for the title that can graphically represent the content of this course. To do this, select the corresponding image in the course header icon area and click on it. To view more images, click on the next icon's link located at the bottom of the panel. If none of the images appeal to you, you can use your company's avatar image, or logo, located at the top of this image gallery. In the Adopt Data from My Profile into an Ad section, you can choose which material from the description of your user profile should be copied into your course ad, for example, brief company profile, header image and so on. Next to the title of the relevant material, you must turn on the switch if you want it to be used in your ad. In the last section, Contact Person, you can select the contact person who will be responsible for communicating with customers about this course. In this case, when this ad is published, the name and all contact details of this contact person will automatically be included in the ad. In addition, all communications from individuals regarding this announcement will be automatically forwarded to this contact person and he or she will be notified of all communications by email. I will tell you more about this in one of the following videos about using the integrated messaging system. After you finish entering data, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Your ad has now been created but not yet published. You can identify this by the red Not Published sign located directly below the ad title in the My Courses section. Before publishing ads, it is recommended to review them by clicking the Preview button. If you need to make changes to the ad text, you will need to return to the list of your ads by clicking your browser's Back button or clicking My Courses in the My Profile menu. To make changes to your ad, click the Edit button. After making the necessary changes, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Now you can publish your ad by clicking the Publish button. This button is active if your user profile has free places, or slots, to display ads. Information about this can be found at the top of the panel. Directly under the heading My Courses, in the line up to NN courses can be published or extended. If there are no free slots for ads, they can be ordered by clicking on the line How to increase the limit, or by going to My Profile control panel. For more information, see one of the previous videos on using the control panel and ordering additional resources for your user profile. If the publishing process is successfully completed, a published sign will appear under the title of the course ad. To the right of this sign there are 3 indicators DE, EN, and RU. If they are all highlighted in green, it means the ad will be published in all language versions of the website. If an indicator is not activated, that is, in gray, it means that the ad was not published in that language. To fix this, click the Edit button again and check that the ad title is present in the text fields of all language tabs, DE, EN, and RU. You can use the integrated online translator to translate the text. Finally, click on the Save button. The line with the published sign and other information is the ad status line. In it you can see the status of the ad, the date of its creation, the date of the last changes, the date of its publication, the responsible contact person, the number of views and also how many users are watching it, that is, they have it in their list of favorites saved. Immediately below the ad status bar is an ad active time remaining indicator, which indicates the remaining days of publishing for this ad. If necessary, the publication period can be extended by clicking Extend for additional 1 year. You can also automate the ad publishing renewal by activating the Auto Renewal of Ads toggle located under the panel title. If you create one or more advertisements in parallel and only want to change a few parameters, for example setting a different date for the start of the course, it is not necessary to create the entire advertisement from the beginning. To do this, you can click on the Clone button and a copy of this ad will be created for you, where you can make the necessary changes and publish it. To delete an ad that is no longer needed, simply click the Delete button. That's all. In the next video, I will introduce you to the technique of creating an advertising banner to attract more attention from website users to the ads you publish, as well as to your company profile. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.